Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert. Chocolate chia seed pudding. Chia pudding is high in protein, full of omega-3s, packed with fibre and helps you keep full and satisfied all day long. So let's get started. First of all, let's make the coconut milk. To a medium mixing bowl, add the coconut milk powder and 360 ml of water and whisk to combine to a smooth milk. Pour in 55 ml into a bowl with the chocolate and put into a microwave for 30-second bursts, whisking in between until you have a smooth ganache. Set aside and chill in the fridge. Put the cocoa powder, the coconut sugar in a small bowl. Spoon in around 5 tablespoons of coconut milk and stir until you have a smooth paste with no lumps. Pour all of the paste back into the milk and whisk in the chocolate milk. Add chia seeds to a shallow dish. Pour in the chocolate milk and whisk once more to combine. Then cover and refrigerate overnight. If you're in a hurry, you can put the chia in the freezer for 30 minutes or until it's achieved a pudding-like consistency. It may also be helpful to give the mixture an extra whisk. Stir once it has been in the freezer every 15 minutes. Once your chia is ready, layer up the pudding bowls with fruits, ganache, pudding, nuts and coconut. Finish off with nuts, coconut and fruits and dig in. You can also add coconut whipping cream or yogurt for extra creaminess. Leftovers keep covered in the fridge for up to 3 days, although best when fresh.